Amy, you took my potato? Give me my potato. Come on, Meetsies. Get the potato. Amy, Gigi's coming to take your potato. You knocked that down from the counter all by yourself? Yeah? I don't know. I think she smells it, she's licking it, but then she smacks it. Meetsies. Come on. Yeah. Look, baby. Go get it, Gigi. See what the whole commotion's about. I know, but Gigi wants to see. Come here, mamita. Come here. What are you doing? Gigi, what are you doing? It's a potato. Yes, Gigi.